Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to share an amazing promo code for Avatar World that unlocks everything in the game and makes all the packs completely free. First, let me open the game to show you that it actually works. As you can see, every pack in my game is priced at exactly $0. It's absolutely incredible. If you want to use this promo code too, just keep watching the video. Alright guys, if you're ready, let's dive into the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is open your internet browser. In my case, I'll be using Safari, but you can use any browser you prefer. Once your browser is open, go to the website called lucidcoupons.com. This website is a goldmine for finding tons of different coupons for various apps and games. The best part is, all the coupons on this site are legit and actually work. But of course, we're interested in the Avatar World promo code. Just search for it on the website and click on it. You'll see the coupon details there, including how many are left and user reviews. Now, to get the coupon, you'll need to click on the Show Coupon button. When you do this, you'll see that the code is locked, but don't worry, we can unlock it quickly and easily. The next step is to click on the Unlock Code button and wait a moment. You will be redirected to an unlocking website. Once you're on the unlocking website, you'll see a message indicating that you need to complete 2 or 3 offers to get the code. I recommend completing 3 offers to ensure everything goes smoothly. These offers are usually very simple and straightforward. Most of them involve downloading an app and completing a specific action within the app. For example, you might need to run the app for 30 seconds, or reach a certain level in a game. Take your time to carefully read the descriptions of each offer so you know exactly what you need to do. These offers are designed to be easy, so you shouldn't have any trouble completing them. Typically, each offer will only take a few minutes of your time. Additionally, if you run into any issues or need extra help, there's a tutorial video available that explains everything in detail. Just click on the video, and it will guide you through the process step by step. Just as a tip, make sure you're in a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions while completing the offers. Also, remember to follow the instructions closely to ensure each offer is successfully completed. Once I'm finished with the offers, I'll come back and show you the next steps. Alright guys, I'm back. Once you've completed the offers, head back to the Lucid Coupons website and refresh the page. Then, click on Show Coupon again, and voila! The coupon will be unlocked. Now, just copy the code and paste it into the game, just like I did. You should get a confirmation and then everything in the game will be unlocked and free. So, that's it. If this Avatar World code worked for you, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.